Okay, so now moving on to chat rooms. A chat room is basically a place where a single user can share his message to many other users. So all these users may or may not be the friend of the current user. It is not a one-on-one chat, but it is basically a message being broadcasted to all other users. I have created 3 chat rooms over here: the science, the entertainment, and the football. Now, if I go to science, here you see I had sent these messages. I'll probably go back, check on entertainment. Let's send some message. Probably the message was being sent, so let's see if that message has gone. Yes, the message has come. Now I'll have to reply again from my different device. And you see, this is basically the way in which the chat happens. Multiple users can reply to this chat. I have also the provision to add a new chat room. I can add a new chat room, says name sports. Now this chat room is also available. When I click on sports, I have clicked on the sports. Okay, so I replied from my another device. You see, here comes the messages. So this is how the chat application is basically working.